Well, I don't have the product for you. Honestly, when I saw this in Walmart, I knew I had to make a video about how bad it would be. Walmart electronic brand On has some products that are quite decent for the price. I currently have a 1080p monitor from them that I got for $75 and it serves its purpose. This kit includes a gaming keyboard, headset, mouse, and mouse pad, all for $60, which doesn't sound bad until you see the price of the keyboard alone at $50 sitting right next to it. I was using a Razer Ornata Chroma keyboard that I got on sale for $20 at the same Walmart for years now, and it holds up fine. But even this Razer keyboard blows this Walmart keyboard out of the water. I am currently using this Walmart gaming keyboard, if you can even call it that, to type the script. And the keys are so mushy, and it feels like there is sound dampening material so that you can't hear the clickety clap sounds. Which is all fine and dandy, but at the expense of comfortably typing on the keyboard, that just has to go. I constantly found myself having the urge to throw this keyboard in the trash, run it over, incinerate it, burn it with fire, and then write the rest of the script with my Razer keyboard. Now the rest of the kit isn't as bad. The mouse is actually pretty decent with different colors to show what DPI setting it currently has, and I do love the unique grips on the side, which is a lot better than just plain rubber. Everything in this kit has a braided cable, and the headset doesn't have any RGB, which honestly is just laziness in my opinion. Speaking of the headset, it has a split cable for the attached microphone, but straight out of the box it has an adapter to merge the cable into one input, which I can see for the novice gamers that this is targeting. It is a nice touch to add if God forbid they're gaming on a laptop with only one headphone jack. Everything I listened to sounded muffled. At first I just thought it was the music that was playing, because that's the first song that I listened to was from the 90s, but it was everything I played, even music that just came out. It sounded like I was trying to listen to music on the outside of someone's headphones while they have the volume on max. At this point, I will be destroying this keyboard when the video is over, as typing on this thing for long periods of time is almost like pure torture. Oh right, there was a mouse pad as well. It's okay, and serves its purpose.